Thromboembolic disorders. Thrombo meaning clots. Embolism meaning block. Clot blocking disorders. Okay? So you can have a clot in your leg that then travels to your lung or any other organ. Okay? So the clot breaks off. Okay? So now, here's the walls
of your
blood vessels.
Blood vessels.
Okay? So I paint 17 coats of paint on the walls. So now the blood vessels narrow. And then some guy's walking down the hall with a ladder and punches a hole through the wall.
Okay.
And now behind the wall, there's this liquid goo that oozes out. And then all the alarm bells goes off. The dispatcher sends a truck to repair the hole in the wall. That's a clot. Okay? Now, the clumsy guy, 50 feet down, punches another hole in the wall. So think Laurel and Hardy.
Sure.
Think
Ding dongs, just yeah.
Three Stooges.
Sure.
Okay, and they're ding, 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 punch a hole, punch a hole, punch a hole, and now there's 15 trucks coming to repair the holes in the wall, causing a heart attack because all the repair trucks, boom, no traffic. Okay, so you've already narrowed the artery.
Sure.
From animal fat, dairy, flour, sugar.
Sure.
So your plaque has already narrowed the artery. And then
It's perforated. It's perforated, right?
And then you did something to perforate
Sure.
it.
And it's coming, now we're oozing.
So now there's something oozing out of the wall.
And your
repair mechanism
comes over and clots to
exactly.
Put gum in the dam.
To put gum in the dam, exactly.
Okay.
All right?
Okay.
Now, so you punctured a hole in your tire.
Yes.
And they put that thing in, all right? And then what happens?
It wears
It wears away, and then boop, the hole's back.
Absolutely.
Okay? So, if you're constantly doing this, restricting blood flow, all right?
Absolutely.
So the femoral artery, so if you put your
Absolutely.
finger on your pubic bone and you slide it into the groin, that's where the femoral artery is. So the minute you cross your legs,
Restriction.
you're blocking both femoral arteries, not just the one that crossed. You're blocking both. Okay? 5 years, 10 years, 15 years, 20 years, 25 years.
So not even just that though, George. Once you have, a lot of your intestinal walls are no longer strong, you have a mass sitting on top of those as well.